This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Oscar.valle. Brand new home in desirable South Knoxville community. The home features 3 bedrooms 2 baths, an open floor plan with vaulted ceilings, recessed lighting, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, a wooden back patio deck, and sits on half an acre of usable land. Relax in your own private setting, yet you're close to schools, Bowerfield Community Park, golf driving range, shops, great dining. Downtown Knoxville, Sevierville, and all that the Smokies has to offer are just 15 to 20 minutes away. For more information, review the details below or contact Oscar.valle at 305-962-9101.